and welcome back to another video. This week we're going to bring some of that Americana into the kitchen, so let's get started. So I'm going to start here at the table, and all I'm going to do in the kitchen is really just pull that color palette over the reds, the whites, and the blues, not necessarily anything that is specific to 4th of July or to Americana decor. I'm just pulling that color palette over. I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of this video to music so that you can just relax and enjoy watching the process of me add these simple touches to the kitchen. I wanted to add a little bit of the, blues and the reds and the whites to the wreaths. So I picked up a couple of ribbons and I picked up this 2 of these little banners, and I'm gonna just add them to the wreaths just to spruce them up for the holiday. I made some firecrackers that I'm also going to add. This is a great and easy way to just switch up the wreaths for the seasons, and it's super simple, super easy, and it makes a cute little impact on the pantry doors. It just pulls that color over to that area nicely. Great besties, that's going to do it for this week's video. And next week we are going to finish up the main floor, and then we're going to head to the basement to finish there, and then we're going to add just a couple of touches to the upstairs, and then I'll be ready to share with you the entire home tour for summer. So until next week when we do this all again, besties, I'll see you then. Bye.
Lost in the city lights, our love's electric, right? You make me feel